Welcome back guys to my channel, and for today's video I'm going to show you how to DIY a cake drum. But before I proceed, please subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell button so you will be notified for my next uploads. I will be using this 1/2 inch styrofoam, and the dimension is 24 inches by 24 inches. In making a circle, I will be using again this strip board. The dimension of the board that I'm going to make is 10 inches. So I took the radius, it is 5 inches. And this is the one I'm going to use for making a round one in the styrofoam. Then I'm going to use this cutter for cutting out this circle. And for the board, I'm going to use this chipboard. The thickness of this chipboard is 40. It is number 40. And now, since I already have a circle, so I'm just going to use this as a pattern. I'm just going to trace this out. I need 2 boards for the bottom and on the top, so I will trace another one. Okay, I have it, and now I'm just going to cut out from the board, and I'm just going to use the big scissor. Just cut out along the lines to form the circle, to form a round board. Okay, so it will be like this, and I will be using the double-sided tape in order to attach these 2 boards on the styrofoam. Okay, now it's done. And next thing is I'll have to cover this with the aluminum foil. And I'm still using the double-sided tape in order to cover this and attach the aluminum foil on the drum. And now I'm going to use this cake board. This is the one I have prepared in my last video tutorial. I'm going to use it and put it on top of the drum so it will be more thicker. And I'm going to use the double-sided tape again in order to attach this too. Okay, now it's done. This is now my cake drum. The next thing I'm going to put is the decoration. I'm going to use a 1-inch ribbon to cover the side of the drum. This is color brown and it is 1-inch size. And then after this, I will use another ribbon to make it more colorful, and the size of this ribbon that I will be putting in this top is 1/2 inch, and this is color yellow. So this is it. Okay, it's done. This is now my cake drum. You can put any decoration, whatever you want. You can also use any color of ribbon. Depends to the theme of the cake that you will be making. That's it.